Let's talk about using tags inside of LeadKlozer. Tags are your universal system to categorize any of your contacts in any way that you want by creating your own custom tags and then assigning that to any contacts that you want. So let me give you an example here. Let's scroll over to the sidebar. We'll click Open Tags. So here we are on the main page for tags, and this shows every custom tag that you've created uniquely for your account. And tags are categorized by the different types of contacts, and you have three main types of contacts in your account. For this account that we're viewing here, it's leads, customers, and partners, and you can see all the tags that have been created and assigned to how many different leads, how many different customers, or how many different partners. So this interested tag is actually on three different contacts right now, and it's on one customer. So tags can be used on just one type of contact or across a number of different types of contacts. And I can come over here and I can edit or I can delete. So let's just say I wanted to update the name of this tag, and I'll show you how to create tags as well. Interested now. What this is saying up here is that if there's any existing contacts that have that tag interested, and I just changed it to interested now, on their contact profile, it's going to be updated to not say interested, but interested now. I'm going to update that tag, and there it is. So I can also delete the tag over here. I can create a brand new tag. So let's just create a test tag, and I'll save it right now. And there it is. It's not a bad idea just to load up a number of the tags that you think you're going to be using to have then to assign to all of your contacts. If you think of tags later, you can always create a tag while you're inside of a contact profile, or if you do a smart search and that search has a list of contacts that is the results of that search, you can apply tags and create new tags within that search as well. But let's do this. Let's go over to one of these contacts here. Interested now, looks like Jill has been assigned interested now. So I'm going to come over here. Here we are, and look, she's got the interested now tag. If I want to assign another tag, I'll click here, and let's say I want to make her a VIP. And it automatically asks me when did I assign this, and it gives me today's date. I can change that and say, you know, she actually became a VIP in my business last week, so I'm going to add that and save. And that way, when you're doing searches inside of Smart Search, you could say, hey, bring up all my VIP, all my contacts that I've tagged VIP, period, or bring up all my contacts that I have tagged VIP in the last month or the last 7 days. So having a timestamp, you see when I hover over it, that timestamp appears. Now, I can also create a new tag from here. Let's just say there's not something that I see there. So I'm going to create a second test. There's no current tag called second test, so I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to say yes, create that, and give it a timestamp. I'll just keep that. I'll add it and save. So there it is, second test. Now, if I go back to my tags page, there's second test, and one contact has been assigned to that, and it's Jill. Tags are a hugely important part of your categorization, your organization system inside of LeadKlozer. Because when you're doing your follow-ups, you want to find the right people extremely fast. And finding people that have been categorized by certain one or multiple tags, and when those tags have been applied, and creating a smart search to bring up a list of all those people is valuable, because you can get to the exact list of contacts for your follow-up within seconds.